Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, we will learn how to create a custom data mart using the Summary Data Mart wizard. We will also learn how to use this data mart in a custom view. The Summary Data Mart wizard is a simple and easy-to-use wizard that allows you to create data marts using the necessary metrics without requiring a knowledge of SQL queries. As an administrator, you can launch the wizard in two ways. By using the Edit page of the Summary Table Custom View template, or from the Settings option of any existing custom view. We will use the first approach to launch the wizard. In this video, we will create a data mart that retrieves the utilization data for VMware virtual machines. Let's begin with creating a data mart. For this, we need to first add a custom view. In the left navigation pane of the Views tab, select Manage Views. And then, click Add View. For our example, let's enter the view name as VMware Virtual Machines, and click Next. Enter the page name as VM's Utilization, select the Summary Table template, and create the view. On the Edit page of the Summary Table template, click Add Data Mart to launch the Summary Data Mart wizard. In this wizard, you can create a data mart, either for systems data or business drivers data. Let's select Systems and click Next. In Entity Types, select the entity type, whose data you want to retrieve using this data mart. Let's select the entity type as Virtual Machine VMware, and click Next. In Entity Filter, filter the entities of the selected entity type. You can choose to include all entities, or filter them, using the entity filter. Let's use the default option and click Next. In Metrics, from the list of all available metrics, select the CPU utilization and memory utilization metrics and click Next. In Parent Entity, you can select the parent entity of the selected entity, or skip this step. If you opt to select Parent Entity, all the parent entities of the selected entity are displayed in this list. Let's select Virtual Cluster, VMware and click Next. Select the Time filter, on which the data will be summarized, in a custom view. The first option allows you to summarize your data by last 1 day, 7 days, or 30 days. This is a default option. In Last Time Period, you can select a custom time period. For example, you can select 15 days to display last 15 days of data. Global Time Filter displays a list of predefined time ranges that you can select from. Date Range enables you to define a custom date range. Let's select the default option and click Next. Enter the name and description for the data mart and click Next. In the summary page, you can review the required configuration. You can choose to click Finish to create the data mart, or customize the data further according to your requirements, using the Basic or Advanced editors. The Basic editor includes all essential features to build a data mart. The Advanced editor supports additional functionalities, such as thresholds and tags. By default, the Basic editor is displayed. Now, let's see how to customize the data using the Basic editor. Select Action to modify the label and statistics as needed. You can also modify the materialization task. Now, let's move to the Advanced editor to see how to use this editor. This editor includes the same values as a Basic editor, but in the JSON format. The properties list displays the top-level properties. Click the property name to view the code sample and documentation for that property. If the property has sub-properties, their details are also displayed. You can copy the code sample and paste it in the editor to update the properties. Let's edit the statistics for memory utilization to max and click Apply. We are now back to the Basic editor. Click Finish to complete the data mart creation. Now that the data mart is created, let's use it in a custom view. We will go back to the Edit page of the Summary Table template that we used to launch the wizard and click Refresh. The VMware VM's Utilization Data Mart is now available in the Data Mart list. Select the newly created data mart. Click the gear icon in the Table section and configure the columns of the selected data mart, as you want them to be displayed in a view. And then click Save. The VM's Utilization page, in a VMware Virtual Machines custom view is displayed, with the CPU and memory utilization data for all VMware virtual machines. I hope this video was useful to understand how to create a summary data mart. Thanks for watching.